Hey everyone that is in quarantine right now, staying home and being super safe of the coronavirus. I have a special announcement. Digital Drag Fest. I know you guys have heard it, and right now we are loving digital drag shows. I want to invite you guys to my digital drag show that I'm so excited about because it's not going to be your normal drag show. We're going to go ahead and do an exclusive makeover where you guys get to chat with me and design and give me a makeover digitally. I've never done this before. It's up to you guys to make my perfect drag face. This is brought to you by PEG and StageIt. Tickets are $10. My digital drag show will be live April 8th at 12 p.m. Pacific time. I've never done this. I'm so excited. Also, during this show, you guys, I will be giving away one of the most biggest giveaways I've ever done with so much makeup, so much love, and also all my drag queen merch. And it's just really for you guys to be creative, be inspired at home, especially in a time like this where we're quarantined and staying inside and being safe. In the chat, you guys, I'm going to be picking the winner of the giveaway. Everything will be linked down below, so go ahead and hop over, purchase a ticket. Tickets are only $10, you guys. We're just going to have a good time, so I would love to see you guys there, and I cannot wait. I love you guys so much. Stay safe because, honey, we're not stuck at home. We're safe at home. Mwah.